I'll be talking about the funding PIP. So we are on their website and you can see that they are having almost five type of accounts. The first one is Giro, which is instant account. Then they have a one-step account, and in two-step account they have three models. The first one is two-step standard, which is same as FTMO and 5%. The second one is two-step pro, and this third one is two-step flex. Okay, and they are also having a free trial. So basically, if you are new to the trading or if you want to be accustomed to how their model works and all, then you can take their free trial. I'll just quickly go through that. So if you click free trial here, so there are two models, the standard and the pro. So for example, you want to buy 10K account, so you just simply have to follow this process. You just mention your email ID and you can start trading. Okay, we'll be going through the different accounts. So the Zero account is the instant account. You don't have to go through any evaluation. Basically, I'll just give example of 10K account in all the models. So there is no profit target. The maximum loss is trailing on equity. So you have to keep that in mind. It's 5% and the daily drawdown is 3%. Okay. They also have the consistency of 15%, and you need to be profitable for 0.5% for 3 days. So in 10K account, so at least you need to have $50 of profit for 3 days. Okay. And they are having different reward cycle. So basically, you can have the bi-weekly 95%. So it's for 10K it's $88, and you can also add on for the swap. So I can say that their daily is 3% and maximum is 5%. And at the moment they are having a discount. So if you don't have any account with them, so you can buy an account and you can get a 20% discount. And I think it's a very good opportunity. So we will go for the two-step account. Okay, in this two-step account, this is the standard two-step. So in the standard two-step, they are having the profit target of 10% in phase one and 5% in phase two. Maximum loss is 10% each, and daily drawdown is 5%. If you click here, so they have mentioned there is no time limit. Okay, and they are having different reward cycle. Like if you want to take it weekly, then it will be 60%. If you want to take it bi-weekly, then it's 30%. If you want to take monthly, then it's 100%, and on demand is 90%. Okay, for 10K they are having the cost of $63, and for the add-on swap, I think there will be some more charges. And in terms of the platform, they are having MT5, they are having C Trader, and they are having DX Trader. Okay, and their execution and everything is good. The leverage will be 1:100, and uh, it's like they are having zero pip of spread. They are having different multiple asset class like FX, metal, energies, indices, and crypto. And if you go through their platform, so you can see that they have provided multiple, payout stories. They have interviews if you follow them on the YouTube. So they also post a lot of videos on the mindset on weekly basis and all. So you can go through that. There are interviews of their team, on the technical, on the trading psychology, on the interview with the traders. So you can get to know about how they work and all. So they also have a different FAQ on the two-step challenge. Okay. So here they have provided it. So for the standard, they have 10 and 5%, and in the pro they have 8%. Okay. So if you go through that, you have the more visibility. Okay. So the main bridge rule they have, there are two type of bridge. The first one is the hard bridge, the second one is soft bridge. So the hard bridge is mostly about violating the daily drawdown rule. Okay, and the third the third hard bridge is on account inactivity for the 3 days 30 days, sorry. So in we have already gone through the two step, and now we'll go for the two step pro. So this is two step pro. So I'll take the same example of 10K account. So like here means it's pretty simple. Your maximum loss is 6%, your daily loss is 3%, your profit target is 6%. Simple. Okay. There is no time pressure. You can take as much time as you want, and the reward will be 80% bi-weekly, and the cost will be for 10K $55. Okay. And the platforms are same, the leverage is same. The platform MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and DXTrader, and leverage is 1 is to 100. They are having the similar financial instruments, and this is more information on the particular account. And here you can see that the main bridge, like I mentioned, is about the maximum and the daily drawdown. Maximum is 6% and daily is 3%. And there is one more, like I mentioned, that it's like inactivity in 30 days. So I have already opened this page. Here you can see that. So basically here, if you click on the hard rich or different, so they have more visibility and information. And before taking on that account, I think you should go through that. Here they have given zero account. This is the instant account. Okay, we have already discussed. Then one step account, where the maximum loss is 6% and daily loss is 3%, and the inactivity is 30%. Okay. And they are also having the risk per trade idea, but that is applicable only for the master account. And then the two-step account, the maximum loss is 10% and daily loss is 5%, and inactivity is 30 days. In two-step flex also they have the same 12% maximum loss, and daily loss will be 4%, and inactivity is 3 days. And in pros is 6% maximum loss and daily is 3%, and activity is 30 days. So what I'll advise you that you can means like if you can place a small trade like 0.01 lot in every 30 days in case if you're not actively trading. So now we'll go through the two-step flex. So guys, this is the new model that they have introduced. And this, I mean, in this model, actually, they are having 2% extra drawdown in maximum. Like you must have seen in other firms like 5% or FTMO or Funded Trading Plus or any other firm that they provide the maximum loss, I mean, drawdown to be 12%. But here it's 12%, it's static. So in case of 10K account, your maximum equity should not drop below 8,800. Okay. Daily drawdown is 4%. There is no requirement of any trading days. The profit target is 10% in phase one and 6% in phase two, which is um, fair enough. And the price is $59 for the 10K. You can choose the option to reward cycle from 85% to 95%. 95% will be add on. If you are not adding on, then you will have a bi-weekly payment of 85%. And in the master account, basically you just have to follow the maximum loss criteria. So this is all about Funded Plus, and they are having the same platform like MetaTrader 5, DXTrader, and CTrader. The instruments are same, the leverage is same. So there are three. So like about the just to briefly summarize. So they have zero account, which is instant. Okay, one step account, and in two step they have three models. So let's review two steps. So two step standard is like you will have the maximum drawdown 10% and the daily drawdown 5%. About the pro, you are having very simple rule. You have to achieve 6% target each on phase one and phase two. Your daily loss will be 3% and maximum loss will be 6%. And about the flex, it's having more daily drawdown, maximum drawdown. So basically, it's 12% drawdown in both phase one, phase two, and the funded model, and their daily drawdown is 4%. So, what is the trick of this account? So, I can say that, for example, if you are taking 1% risk per trade, so if you are taking this flex account, so you will have two more trade before your account, you know wipe out or blown. So that is a good thing because they are having more cushion on the maximum drawdown. They have reduced the daily drawdown by 1%, but still, I think if you are taking a two trade per day, then this is a good account. And they are also having scaling options. So I will make a separate video on the scaling. And if you see the free trial here, so you can see that they are having the free trial available on both two step and two step pro. So basically they are having trial available for the two-step account, which will be standard and the pro. So like if you remember, for the standard they had the maximum drawdown 10%, daily drawdown 5%, and for the pro they had the drawdown 6% maximum, 3% daily. So it will be available for 40 days. It will be all real target and rules. It will be have the real market condition and good for the practice. There is zero commitment, and like you can practice that on, it's available only on MT5 and in USD currency. So it's similar like FTMO. So if you take this evaluation, so you can get familiar with their uh, platform, how they work, how the drawdown work, and all those things. Okay. And here is also means like if you want to review it quickly, so you can choose the account size and all. So means like here they have given it better. Okay. And there is a lot of things on their account. So there is a process like once you passed your phase one, they will give you a new account for phase two. Then they will be doing your KYC. Then you'll sign a contract. Then they will give you the master account. Okay. And they also have the option to do the scaling. And for the scaling, I will make a separate video. In terms of guidelines, there is no restriction on 1.2% of risk per trade idea. News trading is allowed, but you should not open your trade position or close it before 5 minutes or after 5 minutes. Overnight and weekend holding is allowed during the evaluation phase, but it's not allowed during the funded phase. Inactivity I have already mentioned, and the leverage is 1 is to 100 for the FX, for metal 1 is to 30, for energy 1 is to 10, for indices 1 is to 20, and for crypto 1 is to 2. Okay. And they have means zero denial. I mean, their payment and everything is good. So it's quite a good platform. And they are also having their own broker, which is trading. So what you can do, and they are having option like swap free, and it's a raw account, and like they are also having standard account. So if you have used the XNS or XM, and also you know that they have different account, right? They have the standard account, they have the raw account. In the swap fee will be on standard or the swap free account. And the leverage is same. It's like 1 is to 2000. Even in XNS you get the same leverage, and like they are having 24/7 support. So it's overall a good platform, and I will advise you to go through their website and be familiar with that. And if you have not taken any evaluation challenge and all, if you want to take it, so what you can do, you can take their free trial first, or you can take a 5K or 10K account, because they are having a discount also. And if you are having any question, then let me know, and also drop in the comment section that which currency or which instrument do you trade.